So hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the BiFunction functional interface. So basically BiFunction, it is similar like a function functional interface. So basically inside the BiFunction we will take two argument or a two parameter. That's why it is called a BiFunction. So prior this video, if you have not watched these functional interface, so you should definitely watch. Then you will know what is functional interface, how it internally works. Then it will be very easy for you to understand the bifunction interface. So basically before writing its code, just let's go it in the its definition. So bifunction integer we have taken two integer as argument, and one integer will be the output. Okay, so a plus b. So here we have given, as we know that it's a functional lambda expression, through we have given the uh, definition of the apply method. So let's go control then click. Now here you can see that it is a functional interface because it has marked as functional interface, and apart from it has only one abstract method, that is apply. And by function generics you can see that it has taken two argument, that is up to parameter, and the third one is a return type. So basically here you can see that these two are the parameters, and these are the return type. So basically we have to give, and then after it will return as a r, and it has one default method, that is a andThen method. It is similar like a andThen method that we have discussed in the function functional interface. So in this video we have discussed about the andThen method and compose method, but BiFunction is not supporting compose method, it is only supporting andThen method. And basically in the previous video we know that compose it is a opposite of the andThen method. Okay, so let's go to the BiFunction, and apart from it let's call the abstract method, because we have given the definition for the abstract method, sum dot apply. And basically here we will pass two two values. So first we have passed 34, second we will pass any other. I have passed 98, then shift F6 for running our program, and here you can see that it has generated the sum of these two number. And apart from it, let's discuss about the BiFunction. So after making sum, we will basically go for the its power. Okay, so we will take some small number, that's why, and integer, and again it will take integer. And here you can see that we will take square, for example square sum. We will take basically two numbers. So first we will create every square or every number, then we will add it. Okay, so first of all we have multiply a by a, it means a square, then b square. So let's jump into and print it square. So basically here what we use sum dot and then, and here we will pass square sum. And yeah, then after we have to call the apply method, and here we will give 3 and 4. So control S, why it is throwing error, why it is throwing error. So here you can see that andThen method will take function, not a BiFunction. Okay, so let's go to the function BiFunction. Let's go to the BiFunction code. So here you can see that here we have given the BiFunction, but it demands function. So let's convert it into a function, and here we have given the function, and let's import it. And then after we can easily call it, and it will take, we know function will take only one argument. So we have performed its operation, and then shift F6 for running our program. 79. So what it has internally worked, basically first some interface function BiFunction interface has worked, and it has added 3 plus 4, so it has become 7, and it has returned 7 as a output return type. And then after it comes to the square sum, it means here, and then it has square the 3 and 4. So basically these are the this is the abstract method, this is the this is the default method. So I think we have discussed all about the BiFunction in this video. Thank you.